So here already, so we have a 3.0 diesel BMW. So this car is in limp mode, it's lost power, and here is the code. It's got 2C3200 Swirl flaps. Just gonna open the 7mm here, take off this air inlet pipe. Runs across the top. Just push down on these pop clips. One down there, one over here. These are E18. That just allows me to wiggle that a little bit, get some room to pull it out. Just down the back here we had to pull out this sound shield, or whatever you'd like to call it. Just unplug a load of plugs here, take out the T25 screws just to move that apart, and now we just got to remove all of these wires out of the way. Get the inlet flap out, inlet manifold. Okay, so that's all back together. So just put the bolts back on here, bolts back here to separate that from here. 3 little bolts on the intake manifold, and then just all of the plastics back together. Push the manifold back in, and you got those 7 bolts all the way across. Now we're going to put one of these through the intake system. It's a Revive carbon cleaner. So that's it, we're all finished on that one, and we'll see you next time.